Right, hello. This is not what I was going to do, but I've got this vacuum cleaner for about £9 off AliExpress. It's comes in three forms. He said, focus you camera. Anyway, USB 5 volts, lithium ion battery, unticked of course, and then a plus. Of course, made in China. It's gives you the size here. And if I could just get the camera to focus, it doesn't like the white. See if I put my finger on it. No, it just says input voltage USB 5 volts. Shows a little picture, keyboard cleaning, pet house cleaning, and car health cleaning. Mini portable vacuum cleaner, picture on the front, few keys. What I want to see is how powerful it was, because all the videos I've seen on YouTube at the moment show it sucking up tissue paper, which is really useful, and so I'm always spreading little bits of tissue paper all over the place. It comes in an envelope, the box that is. It has a spare filter, well, I'm assuming it's a spare one, some Chinese instructions, and I wish this camera would focus. I don't know why it's not. I've got it on autofocus to try and sort things out, but it's not doing it. I doubt it. Turning on any more lights is going to help or make it worse. But anyway, that's in Chinese. Let's have a look. Inside, handily, there's some English information there. Right, that's it. It did show it just then. Focus, you pile of poo. I don't know why. That's not focusing. Anyway. Too close. Right, there you go. It says input current 1000 milliamps, power 4 watts. Shows you the two adapters. The lead, power click on, click off. Two kinds of straw can be replaced. That's the nozzles. Filter, detachable, cleaning by water, then drying after. Drying then install. Open cylinder. Anyway, it tells you to wash and dry the filter. Rubbishy. Well, I say rubbish. That's just a safety notice. And check the filter if it's clogged, if the suction goes off. There. And other useful rubbish information. And it's a little triangular thing. Oh, haha. Yes. And it's QC passed. As if. Who cares? Right. Let's get to the unit. I'll take it out of the plastic bag and undo the lead just to see how much actual lead we've got. It's quite a length. I would say that's nearly 2 meters. So 2 meters of USB lead. Unclip that by twisting it. There's the filter. Anyway, put that back on. Clicks. The little arrow lines up. It tells you close, open. And we have the straws. What I'll call the nozzles. There's a brushy one, which I won't be using today, and a crevice. I'll plug that in there, and what I've got here is some nuts, all hazelnuts. They do fit in there. Got a USB power supply here. I'll just turn the mains onto it. That's just that one. This should give me enough power, and if I can quickly, yes I can, find my USB tester, we'll be able to see what it actually draws. And I was going to eat some biscuits and put some crumbs down, but I thought, well, I don't really drop a lot of crumbs in the biscuits. So, are we going to be able to see this? So many bits of rubbish lying about on this desk. Right, up. And of course, would be upside down. Do you know what? I can't be asked to turn it all around. It's if I move that over there, let's plug the thing in because I want to get this done. Pardon me. Right, so let's just have a look. There. Ooh, that wasn't good. It doesn't like the motor start up, so we'll ignore that for a minute. I'll plug this in. So that, I'm going to assume it takes a watt. And we'll see. It's quite noisy. Let's see. It does. Let's try it on a different service. That's very smooth. It does go in eventually, and it stays in. So it will just about pick up a very small nut. It's amazing that it stayed in there. That was what I was also thinking. There's no flap, so once you get a bit of dust in there, dirt, I mean it's quite a lot. You'd fill that bit up there, but once you'd done that, I tipped it and tipped it back down again, it would come back out the hole. I was expecting there to be a, which I didn't check, some sort of flap so that it sucked stuff in, but when it wasn't turned on it couldn't come back out. So you can't really leave this with stuff in it. Okay, well what I'll do, I will try it on on the keyboard, which may or may not cut this video quite short, and so much as you know, I may hit the wrong button. Here we go. Well, I can tell you now, it's bloody useless. It's noisy, and it's just about, he said, picking this back up, it just about hangs on to that. I mean, it's really a bit of shaking, off it comes. It's the suction on it is a pile of poo. So would I suggest you buy it? No. Is it a waste of £9? Yes, I think it is for what it does. I was expecting it to be more powerful. God knows what you're going to clean off the pet or pet's bed, would it? It ain't going to clean anything. It's as noisy as hell. And it rubs. That's internal. There's nothing to do with this. That's just, I got this filter. I mean, that's just, it did pick up some dust. Oh, there. I can tell you my keyboard is very dusty. Now then, that's interesting. This is the filter, spare one, and this is the filter that came in it. Now then, let's see if, because this one's much more open, whether this increases the suction. Well, it moves the nuts, as you can see. But it won't pick them up. No, even with the thinner filter. So don't buy it. It's rubbish. It doesn't work. But then I didn't expect it to be honest, for £9. And poof, if you've got a rice pudding you want the skin taken off, it won't even pull the skin off a rice pudding. So personally, as I say, I wouldn't buy it. It's a waste of time. Anyway, that's the end of this video. It was only a quick one. I was going to show you, well, no I won't. I'll save that for later. For now, I will say, wake up you mouse, and goodbye.